Well, I'm pretty excited. I'm just about to embark on a trip of a lifetime, somewhere I've always dreamed of going, but never thought it was possible. I'm off to Norway, and I am so excited because I've heard it is incredibly beautiful, from the fjords to the glaciers, the mountains. I just can't wait to see that and also immerse myself in the culture. Now, I don't know that much about the culture, but I have heard the food is sensational, particularly the seafood, so I can't wait to try all that. It is just magical. I love Norway. The food here is spectacular, and I'm not going to sugarcoat it for you. It is a long way from Australia, but you know what? I'm going to sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey. Well, this is part of the FINNAIR experience, the blueberry juice. You have to have a blueberry juice as soon as you board. It's delicious, refreshing.